Waganye okusinga sente ekyo kyenategeeza kwaganye okusinga rupiya kuyimba kayimba ki ku Batadeyo kayimba kyema kuyimba ku Batadeyo Chameleon Palaso yasalawo ze muyimbira kuba emugole bane mugole wa Palaso mwana maama ti Palaso emikono mu bbanga bwoti Chameleon ekyo tuyibayi omanyi mulimu abantu abaagala musiki ne mubeeramu n'abantu abaagala okuyimba balina enjawulo abaagala okuyimba bafaanana nga nze njagala nnyo okuyimba kyobola nitula ne mu Range Rover yange neetekamu instrumento neeyimbiramu nze nga neekaneka neeyimbiremukko nze njagala nnyo okuyimba kati ne mbeeramu ne bafaala abaagala musiki abafala bagala business n'esente eziva mu music yina enjawulo bannamawulire mutambuze egiyeyo mulimu bafala bagala musiki n'embeeramu naffe abaagala okuyimba ne b'olimpa sente mmeka onzieko okuyimba oba onzieko obulamu kati enjawulo bangi baliwe batyo naye awo tetujja kgenda wala lunabula kweyagala ino twene wala na olunaku olw'enjawulo ogenda okujja mu maaso awo ennaku z'omwezi na 15 December Mayanja Brothers live in Kololo airstrip ojajiwulira engoma abantu batamanyi nagambanga abantu nti Bamayanja tebagenda kuggwayo nga lutani nsaaga baliwo kumikukeke akalulu ka Palaso bakyali balera tekamalamu kuba akalulu ka Palaso mutali nugu ukateko atera ajanja bobulamu abakyala baffe abaana baffe beyagaliko ekyono kyekikeesase nawe noli anayekupenda sana usiwekata mimi nawe mtinirudi watonataka tukae tule tunyunyume mililitata wasikudamaye yabo lidakoma lidakoma kopika tigoli muyindi kampundire mumulideko manyumizengu ulira watabu wana lindi kuchi ulira hash ule mdakuta ulishapata anayekupenda sana usiwekata twende watakota nataka tukaetume tunyanyuwe minilidata wasikudamaye sina uwezo ngabaga mutwafuna zabwele twazikolera utwajanaso twende yakuba sauli birthday yakatani ate nazalibwa Kawempe Evelyn Mike ne DJ Mase neba legendary DJ abali awo mwenna ne ba sound engineer tubegayiridde sound temugikendeeza leero lwendi ubambi mukwataganawo DJ Mase is professional, Evelyn Mike is professional, and I say bane tongeze sound esengekaawo twagala DJ Mase Mr. Fresh and Slim Prince Sebo. Yo, what? Yeah, man. We have Kawempe in the building. Ladies and gentlemen. Mwana mbagala nnyo. Okusenga kyemusobola okulowooza. N'ekintu ku mazaalibwa gange olwaleero njagala okubagambayo ekintu kimu. Nze ndi kyendi, nafuuka kyendi si lwakuba nti nange ekyo kye nali yagadde okubeera.
nali njagala mbere mu ssawo nga taata wange bwe yali andowooleza naye yalowooza empiso nja bba kuba ya kabina ne maliriza nga nkuba ya ku matu. But I'm still a doctor. But I have a bigger doctor. Omanyi wabayo alina PhD n'alina bachelors. Kati omukulu ono ssebo alina double bachelor. Naye nga nange mu PhD binkutte mbalina. Banoonya obwekyusizo naye sijjabbobawo. Let me tell you one thing. This is my birthday. I'm allowed to say, nabagambye saze mu show. Era yazze wano mbalaba mukudde obutebe mutudde maaso mulinze show. You came to celebrate Palazzo. So Wanange, this is not a show. This is a celebration. And that's why we brought it to Kawempe. Kubana tegede. When nayagala okuleta Chameleon on a show, it will be so expensive. When nayagala okuleta Wizo on a show, it's gonna be so expensive. When nayagala okuleta Evelyn Mike on a show, DJ Master Pro, it's gonna be very expensive.
What are you?
The Jerome MC, it will be too costly. They say how much? I don't know how much, but all I know is too much. So, all I'm saying is, Banange, birthday yange no. Nze sitera kujaguza birthday nze postinga nnyo ku Facebook. Ate lwaki sizitegeka batali bange aba Team Palazzo. Team Palazzo, where you there? Singing empia eri woyo. Team Palazzo, where you there? Yeah man. Bachaliba nga ba Team Palazzo njagala obebaza. Nze abantu bange essaawa eno banjagala. A lot of people love me because of who I became. I have been doubted by mediocres. I've been doubted by beginners. I've been doubted by people because they doubt themselves. But I am not here to remind you that. I am here to remind you that I have a team that has never doubted me. This team has been organizing my birthday every year for the last 10 years. Inside my small house. And they came and they watched me rise and become the king of the East. And I am the king of the East, and don't ever let nobody fool you, because that's who I am. And I say it with gratitude and attitude combined. So you better respect that. The Palazzo, I will only be humble and loyal to those that are humble and loyal to me. I've been a good man for so long and people want to take advantage of that. Some of them have... Dokta yayimbisa Abaswahili Oluganda. Njagala ndabo basobola okuyimbisa abana Uganda Oluswahili. Come back with the same tune. Same tune. We are in the call. Kapinzedu. Birthday yange. Itu batama. My boya. Kila balu baby.
anayekupenda sana usiwaikata. Tena wote wanataka tujibiwe midili data wasikutaka Yesu.
See them are acting different. Soon as the money get right, that's when your friends start acting different. But listen, me, it's not about the money. It's not about anything. It's about what you mean to me. What's your value in my life? There is people I don't even hug anymore because they have broken my heart for way too many times. But there are people that break my heart every time and I still forgive them and smile around them because I don't have a choice but to love them because all they ever did is love me. There is people that love me without a reason when they don't even have a reason. People that love me before go down low, before Malamu, before Amaso. People like Wizo Manizo. They helped me cross the road before I had brains to cross the road. They helped me fight a fight when they didn't know if I even started the fight. When I was weak, they stood with me. When I was even at my weakest, they stood with me. Even when the world, I had my fathers. I won't say my father because my father, Mr. Bamayanjas, is my first believer. He sent me to school to speak this language that I'm using right now. But what I'm saying is, there is some people, my fathers, Musumba, Benazo, all of them, Dij Katende, Kabuye Boston, I don't care. I don't know if you've seen me, no. I really do care. But some of my fathers told me to give up on my dream. They told me I can't make it. They told me there is over 100 good artists in Uganda. I told them now we are 101. Chameleon. Dr. Joseph Mayanja. Oli mubi nnyo. Oli muzibu nnyo. Radio and Weasel. Radio and Weasel. Weasel Manizo. Muri babi nnyo. If it wasn't you, I would be number 1. But now I'm number 3. There is no other way. You guys represented this nation and you have very big bricks on so many people, but I stand in front of you. Sirwa kubanti muli baganda bange bangi aboluganda abagagge tetuba manyina baganda baabwe. Gububo wakana njagala opeyo baganda ba Bill Gates babiri nkuwaka kadde essaawa eno. Kati kakana. Waliwo akatalida falaso. Ngezezaako nnyo okulaba nti tufuna kyaliwo passing message ye. Naye your friend Davido Nigeria akaweereza message nga ngikupaasingire. Abiza kukukubira nga tokwata. Davido hold on. Davido mkwano Palaso. Avereza message number if he's busy, read it for him. Agambye, when you win, listen to me, Davido, he told me to say this message. When you win, people say we won. When you lose, people say you lost. When you win, people say we won. When you lose, people say you lost. People want to reign with you, but don't want to stand in the rain with you. Take care of yourself, Palaso. Happy birthday. What a God.